Good morning. It's about 3 a.m. in Nigeria, so I'm a bit tired. My name is Mercy. I just want to quickly do a quick run through about the Lean Canvas and the business module, the business module canvas for my fellow cohorts that were selected by the TonyElumeluFoundation, and I've been helping a few of them out through some of the processes and taking on the task that we have been doing. So there's a little recording for the team. Okay, I'll run through this as quickly as possible. I introduce myself, my dimples. My name is Mercy George-Igbafe at Learntor. And these are my details. Okay. What is a lean canvas? Very quickly, a lean canvas is a one-page planning tool that gets read. Remember the key word, it gets read. It helps you deconstruct your idea as an entrepreneur, okay, into key assumptions using the 9 building blocks. It always has the 9 building blocks, okay? Unlike a business plan. Business plan, I've worked in a few business plans in my lifetime. So using waterfall to be able to implement a business plan is so inundating. It takes so long time and it never gets read. I know some of the key things that we tend to go through from my stakeholders. They'll go through the benefit review plan, they'll go through the comparative analysis, they'll go through maybe the benefit realization, and when you're done implementing, they now review the benefit review. That's about it. Or you would have spent months and months and months working on a business plan. It takes a lot of time, and it never gets read. And that's the truth. Maybe sometimes they go through the SWOT analysis and they go through the 45 forces or the Boston box or all of the matrix. Maybe sometimes, not all of the time. Anyway, but a business plan in terms of comparison is just a beautiful one-pager document as a snapshot of, okay, so what's the origin of a lean canvas or business module? The business module was created by Alex Osterwalder, okay, but adapted by Asham Raya. And I'll quickly run through the difference between them. There isn't much different, but just understand where you fit in when using them. Remember, it helps a customer. It helps you to have a big emphasis on finding customer problem, and that is worth solving. Okay, I'll just come back. Okay, the goal of the BMC is to help you create a snapshot of your business module as it exists. Remember that. And it's okay to guess. You don't have to know everything at the same time, so you can leave it blank. Okay, so this is what I wanted to quickly run through, and the difference between the lean canvas and the BMC. Okay, now what is the BMC targeting is targeting new and existing businesses. But the lean canvas is strictly new startup. Okay, while the BMC is focused customer, investor, entrepreneur, consultant, advisor, whereas the lean canvas purely entrepreneurs. Okay, the BMC's customers lay emphasis, in terms of the customer segment, it lays emphasis on customer segment channels and other relationship for all businesses. Whereas the lean canvas for the customer does not lay much emphasis on customer segment because startup have no known or tested product to sell. Okay, and the approach for the BMC, it lays down the infrastructure, it lists the nature, beg your pardon, and source of financing, the anticipated revenue stream of the business. With regards to the lean canvas, in terms of the approach, it begins with a problem, a proposed solution, the channel to achieving the solution, cost involved in the anticipated revenue. With regards to the BMC competition, it focuses on value proposition in quantitative and qualitative terms as a way to stay smart in the market. While the lean canvas, it assesses whether the business has an unfair advantage over the rest and how to capitalize on it for better grounding. Okay, and the application for the BMC, it fosters candid understanding, creativity, discussion, and constructive analysis, whereas for the BMC, I really don't want to go past the 5 minutes mark. I'll try not to extend. Okay, it's a simple problem solution oriented approach which enables entrepreneurs to develop a step by step. Okay, like I talked about the business module and the business plan. The business module, the BMC, is a single diagram for business. It is fast, portable, concise, and effective. Whereas the business plan is a document investor make you write for months and months, is bulky and clunky, but nobody gets ready. These the template of the business plan. This the structure of the business plan. The business plan or the lean canvas is in one and the same, but just some cute things that changes with regards to the BMC. Okay, so and this is the way you're supposed to go. As the startup, you take the problem first, understand the customer segment, you go to the VP and go through the solutions and your key activities and the key matrix and do the channels, and you go with that progression, then you come to the cost structure, the revenue stream. That's what you do. So I was trying to talk about the customer segment. Okay, so for the customers, there are 3 key areas that you must focus on when you're dealing with the customer segment. And I think this is where I'm going to wrap up because I didn't want the video to be too long. I'm going to do another one for like an hour. Okay, so the customer segment, you have to evaluate the market you want to enter using, I'll quickly show you a quick diagram, but just quickly run through it. The geographical, demographic, psychographical, and behavioral, okay, to be able to know, okay, these are the customers. And then number 2, you must be able to identify, okay, your chosen market, okay, does it have potential to be profitable? Or am I just going into it because everybody's doing it? Then the final one, the final thing that you need to focus on with regards to customer segment is gather, analyze data, and use your selected market. But you need to gather data. It might be primary, it might be secondary. Some people might have done the research. Just look for it and use it and answer certain questions. But I'll just quickly run through those before I run through the questions. So this is how to segment your market. Okay, and what is segmentation? Segmentation is the process of breaking a group of entities. Okay, so there's a parent and there's a child. I'm not going to focus on that. So now with the market segmentation, okay, look at it, the way it's broken into categories, okay, the geographical section, grouping customer based on defined geographical boundaries, okay, region, country, population, okay. Then with regards to demographic, you group the customer based on personal attribute, their age, and as is listed here, ethnicity, income, social class. Then with regards to the psychographic, grouping customers according to their lifestyle, for instance, personality, are they risk adverse? Can they take risk? Okay, this one's okay. What area are you focusing on? With regards to the behavior, grouping your customer based on their desire towards your based on their behavior towards your product. For example, brand loyalty, benefit sort, user stats, usage rate, and readiness. Okay, so I'll go back. This is just an example. I don't want to deal with the UVP at the moment. Oh no, mercy, come back. You're too fast. Oh no. Excuse me 1 second. I need to go back quickly. I don't want to do the UVP. This is just an example for using Facebook. Look at their customer segment, internal users, globally, marketers, developers. I'm just focusing on then I need to go back. I need to just quickly show you some questions that you need to ask when it comes to some customer segmentation. Then I'll wrap up there. So when it comes to demographic, you need to know the location, the target customers that you want to target, and how would they use your products and services. So did I use the data? Okay, so with regards to the question 2 that I said you must ask and find out, you want to know to qualify your chosen market. How do you do that? You must answer this question: how large is the segment now? Is it large enough to support my business? How easy or difficult will it be for me to reach the segment? Will the segment grow and expand in the future? How far does this segment really fit my business module, can we immediately meet the needs of the customers? So these are some of the questions that you must ask and you must answer. If you're interested in this, you can reach out to me quietly. I don't want this recording because of our attention span, so you can be able to grab what I'm saying. So this is just a customer segment. And so with regard, depending on your size, on what you have as a startup, so you can use primary or secondary data, and begin to analyze those data to get some of this information based on the segmentation of your customer. Thank you so much for listening. I'll post this recording. I hope you like it. I hope you comment. Let me know what you don't like about the recording. I will be mostly grateful so that I can improve. I know I'm a little fast. I'll improve on it. This is my first recording. Thank you and have a good day.